Hey everyone, if you're having trouble signing into Kapwing, whether you're getting login errors, stuck on the loading screen, or your account won't open, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Kapwing login issues in 2026. First, double-check your email address and password. A simple typing mistake is one of the most common reasons users can't access their accounts. If you've forgotten your password, use the password reset option to create a new one. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Since Kapwing is a cloud-based platform, login requests require a reliable connection to communicate with its servers. If you're using Google Sign-In, verify that you're selecting the correct Google account. Many users have multiple accounts and accidentally try to log in with the wrong one. Another quick fix is refreshing the page and attempting to sign in again. Temporary website glitches can sometimes interrupt the login process. You should also clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with authentication and prevent successful logins. Make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Outdated browsers can create compatibility issues with modern login systems and security features, and that's how to fix Kapwing login issues in 2026. In most cases, checking your credentials, clearing browser data, updating your browser, or disabling conflicting extensions will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.